Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video I'll tell you my YouTube income and share a quick thought about it. The main reason why I am making this video is to encourage more students to start their YouTube channel, and also I have noticed that not many YouTubers reveal their actual income. I am not sure why this is a taboo area among YouTube creators. So without further delay, these are my actual statistics for the month of May 2021. As you can see, I have earned around rupees 7,250 in May. There are a lot of complex algorithms and calculations behind how YouTube decides this amount, which quite frankly I also don't know. If you want to correlate with the number of views, our channel had around 143,000 views in May, which roughly means I earned rupees 50 for every 1000 views. See, one good thing about YouTube is that it is basically an investment. Here, you don't invest money, but instead, you invest your time in creating videos. I started this channel in my third year of MBBS, that is 4 years ago, and as you guys might know, I have not uploaded much in the past 1 year. But still, I get a steady income every month. So, YouTube is a really good investment for all the students out there. So, if you are a student, start your channel and upload useful content. Thanks for your time. Bye.